Primetime News this evening. COVID-19 restrictions to come to an end Friday. Prime Minister finds cabinet minister seen at Shensia's album launch without masks. And later, high-level probe underway after triple murder in Hanover.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what's your reaction to the Prime Minister ending COVID-19 restriction measures under the Disaster Risk Management Act? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.